new random Beyblade booster. It's a Takara Tomy, and we just got this from the flea market and we're gonna open it. It's time to get turbo. So today we got new Beyblade mystery, and you should have saw the last video. We got it from the shop, and we're gonna open it right now and see what we get. It's taped. So we got a Takara Tomy tip. We got Hercules H4. So this is the full disc, and this is the metal. And you can combine it, put it. The Takara Tomy Hercules. He's hard to burst like this. The Takara Tomy. I've been waiting for it. Takara Tomy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Josh's channel. We make more QR code videos, battles, and unboxing, of course. Thank you.